About 2 decades ago, an event occurred of epic proportions. Right. Mr. Toastmaster, fellow Toastmaster, dear guests. Okay? Right. On 13th of April 1990, I dropped down from low Earth orbit and into the arms of two super people. Soon after, my parents returned with me to Saudi Arabia. My dad Baiju worked for Saudi Telecom and my mom Geeta worked as a nurse at a school. Now, I don't really remember much from my time there, but I do remember trips to the beach with the other Indian families and being scared of jellyfish. I still am scared of jellyfish, but I've actually never been stung by one. Now, in kindergarten, we had two teachers. Rosemary teacher who taught us was really sweet, nice lady. Miranda teacher who taught the other class was rather scary. We would hear horror stories about her. One day, I guess I was talking too much. Miranda teacher told me to go and sit in the other class. She was pissed. And I begged, pleaded and apologized, but she just would not relent. So, with my tail between my legs, I went and sat in the other class. I was quiet the rest of the day, but I still don't remember if Miranda teacher was actually scary. Now, that was until my third standard. I was there in Saudi Arabia. Then I came here and joined Parachute Regiment School to study up till my 10th. And I did my 11th and 12th in St. Joseph's PU College. After that, I went to NIT Surat to do my mechanical engineering BTech. Now, NIT was huge, huge. But that was until I saw an IIT. An IIT is that. Now, I had like the greatest 4 years of my life at NIT Surat. About 2 weeks into college, the music club at NIT Surat held their first musical night. We went to watch, us first years, and we were amazed at these guys and girls of our college pulling off amazing renditions of songs that we knew. Two of my close friends, Nakul and Kartikeya, also joined the music club. Nakul, you might know him, he won the Zee Saregama a few years ago. And Kartikeya was a great guitarist. Whenever the music club was on stage, I had this urge to be on stage with them. But my violin skills were nowhere near good enough. In first year, I thought to myself, I'm going to practice really hard and get in next year. I told myself the same thing in second year and third year. Which is all the more sad because my roommate Shashank was a really good Carnatic violinist. I could have learned from him. I don't know why I did. But at the end of third year, I picked up the bass guitar and I practiced hard over the summer. Really did this time. And college reopened and the music club held auditions again. This time I gave my audition and I was in. I was going to be on stage. So we practiced really hard for the musical nights, sometimes up to 2, 3 in the morning practicing. And we pulled off some great musical nights. I got to play for all sorts of songs. Tamil song, Pudu Vellaingal, Hindi songs, Dil Mein Baji Guitar, and then English songs by Elvis Presley, AC/DC, and a lot more. Now, in March, we went to NIT Calicut to take part in their fest. Day 1 was Eastern musicals. We went on stage, started setting up our instruments, but the sound guy took a while to balance our instruments. But we got it started soon enough. Now, the crowd was just amazed when our singers Nakul and Vivek went on stage. We got the largest ovation and we totally impressed the judges. The results came out a while later and we found out that we weren't among them. Turns out that even though we had scored the highest, we had quite a few points deducted for going over the time limit. We were angry, disappointed and ticked off at just about everything. We almost considered dropping the next day's Western musicals, but later that night we decided we'd give it a shot anyway. So that night, with one acoustic guitar with a broken string and one keyboard, we sort of practiced. Next day we took to the stage again, and this time the same thing happened. This time it was my friend Karthik's turn to wow the crowd with his voice. We got the largest ovation again, and the judges were impressed again. And this time when the results came out, we were winners. We were on top. And we went back to college, winners, and that was in March. In May, it was time for us to say goodbye to NIT Suratgarh. I mean, we had a great time there. I'll never forget the 3 a.m. meals, midnight practice sessions, but most of all, I'll never forget the friends that I played with, even though I might never see some of them again. Right now, I work at IISc. I'm a research assistant at the biomechanics lab, and I hope to do my future studies in this area and maybe one day give back to all of you. Thank you.